What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a problem when your contacts are not showing up on WhatsApp. If you've noticed that your contacts aren't showing up in WhatsApp, don't worry. This is a common issue that can be resolved with a few simple steps. First, let's make sure that WhatsApp has the necessary permissions to access your contacts. To do this, you'll need to close WhatsApp completely and then open your phone settings. Once you're in the settings menu, use the search bar at the top or scroll through the list of installed apps until you find WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp to access its settings. In the WhatsApp settings, make sure that the contacts permissions is enabled. WhatsApp needs this access to link your contacts' names with their phone numbers in the app. If this permission is turned off, WhatsApp won't be able to display your contacts properly, which is likely the cause of the issue. After enabling the contacts permission, it's important to ensure that your contacts are correctly synced to your phone. To verify this, open the Contacts app on your device and review your contacts list. If you notice that some contacts are missing or not displaying correctly, this could be because they haven't been synced from your iCloud or any other cloud service. To fix this, go back to your phone settings and tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on iCloud and then Show All to see all the apps and services that are synced with iCloud. Make sure the Contacts option is enabled here. This will ensure that all of your contacts are downloaded and available on your device. If your contacts are still not showing up in WhatsApp after this, it's possible that there's a syncing issue with iCloud, and you may need to refresh your contacts by toggling this setting off and on again. Another potential solution involves checking your phone's screen time settings. Screen time includes content and privacy restrictions that might be blocking WhatsApp from accessing your contacts. To verify this, go back to the main settings menu and select Screen Time. Scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions and tap on it. You can either turn off content and privacy restrictions entirely or go into the Privacy section, then Contacts, and make sure WhatsApp is allowed to access your contacts from this menu as well. If you've tried all these steps and your contacts still aren't showing up in WhatsApp, it might be time to reinstall the app. Before doing this, consider backing up your chats to iCloud, especially if you have important conversations you don't want to lose. Go back to your chats, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, tap on Chats, and then select Chat Backup. From here, you can back up your chat history to iCloud. Once the backup is complete, delete WhatsApp from your device. After deleting WhatsApp, head to the App Store to re-download and reinstall it. During the setup process, when WhatsApp asks you to restore your chat backup from iCloud, select this option to restore your messages. Once WhatsApp is up and running, your contacts should now appear correctly, linked to their respective phone numbers. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.